Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Instagram. So first, let's go to Instagram and then click your profile here in the bottom right and click the three horizontal lines here in the upper right and click account center and go to personal details and then click your contact info or your email and then click add new contact and click add email. So as you can see, it's written here. Adding this email will replace your current email on this Instagram account. So you just have to click, you just have to type your new email, for example, that at gmail.com, and they will send an verification code on your current email so you can change it to another email. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.